Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility. Make sure your Aadhaar and PAN are correct, and your bank account is linked to the mobile number in Phonepe. Once done, open or update the Phonepe app and grant permissions so the loan module can pre-fill data. Next, view the Personal Loans tile under More or Loans. Phonepe shows pre-qualified offers based on your credit score and transaction history. Tap an offer to begin the application. The app will guide you through required documents and instant checks. Now you choose the loan amount and tenor. Phonepe displays EMIs and total payable so you can compare options. Fill in or confirm personal and employment details, then upload KYC documents. Use Aadhaar eKYC for fastest processing and complete e-sign with your Aadhaar OTP. Make sure your bank account is verified either via micro OTP or instant account validation so dispersal is smooth. Phonepe and the lending partner run automated checks and may request additional proofs. Respond promptly to avoid delays. Finish by accepting the sanctioned offer and completing the final e-sign agreement. The partner lender disperses funds to your verified account, often within 24 to 72 hours. Once dispersed, set up EMIs through auto debit or NAC and note the first EMI date to avoid penalties. If dispersal stalls, first check the app for pending KYC or bank verification prompts. If all looks clear, contact Phonepe support with your application ID. One troubleshooting tip: resubmit any requested documents immediately to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.